Well, hello everyone. It's Johnny, you breathe echo, the angelic soul pilot with you again. Thanks so much for joining me. Hope you're doing well. Thanks again for all your support. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I got lots of videos there, and the more people I can help, the better. So again, your support is greatly appreciated, and the more people I can reach, the better it is, right? It's a win-win in this community and every community. So, please close your eyes. Make yourselves comfortable. Nice big breath in. And letting go. Focus on, again, breathing in positive energy. And letting go of the heavy energies. And one last time, breathing in positive energy. And letting go of any other heavy energy you no longer need. And breathe normally. And at this time, we're going to call upon all our highest spirit guides and angels to be with us and join us on this journey. Sense and feel them all around you, beautiful healing light all around you. And see your guides and angels now leading us outside. Imagine going outside now, amongst the trees, amongst all the leaves that have already fallen. And just imagine going through a beautiful forest, so many leaves all around you, so many trees all around you. And just keep focusing on these leaves as you're walking through. Take a look at all the beautiful colors of all these beautiful leaves. So many colors, so many designs. And just relax and focus on those beautiful colors, those beautiful leaves. And each of those leaves helping you to relax and heal. Those leaves were released from the trees. The trees no longer needed them. They no longer supported their growth. Now they go back to the earth from which they came. And those leaves are asking you to go within you now and release and let go of what no longer serves you. Whatever heavy energies you no longer wish to carry, let those energies fall to the ground like those leaves. And just see this happening, feel this happening. See your own leaves falling down to the ground, letting go of your old heavy energies. Literally see them falling down like the leaves. As you shed them, you let go of them, and they go down to the earth, back to the earth. Feel yourself releasing more and more, feeling more comfortable to let go, knowing that it is safe for you to let go whatever's not serving you. And take this time to look at those leaves, look at Mother Nature all around you, and thank her. Thank those leaves, thank Mother Nature for helping you to release anything and everything that's not serving you, for bringing all those heavy energies back to healing love, back to healing light, back to from which they came. And just feel so much gratitude and appreciation for all the support you've received and are receiving and will always receive from this earth, from Mother Nature, who always takes care of you, always nurtures you, always gives you what you need, and helps you to connect with all there is, with your highest self, letting go of everything else that just holds you down, and feel so much gratitude for this beautiful gift of Mother Nature. These beautiful leaves that remind you to always let go of what's not serving you, and then thanking the earth for taking care of it, for recycling it, for bringing it back to love and back to light. Keep walking through those leaves now and start to feel lighter and lighter. And look up at the sun above you. That sun is shining. It's cool. The weather is cool, but that sun is shining bright. Allow yourself to receive that warmth, receive that healing energy as it comes down. Feel that warmth on your skin. Allow yourself to be filled up with more healing, loving light. Taking the place of those heavy energies where those used to be. Now it's all being filled up with healing, loving light. Resting in that release and that receiving of healing light. Feeling yourself getting stronger, more confident, more loving and light-filled. Getting more and more grateful and appreciative for this beautiful recycling that's going on. And renewing of your energies. Letting go of the old, making room for the new. Making more room for the love and the light that you're made of. Kneeling on the earth now and thanking the earth, even kissing the earth, kissing those leaves, kissing those trees, kissing the ground, kissing Mother Earth and thanking her for her continued and eternal support of you. She gives you warmth with the sun. She builds your inner fire. She gives you all the water you need, all the nourishment you need. She replenishes you, cleanses you, keeps you fulfilled and satisfied, supports you, and helps to feed you. She helps to give you shelter, supports you, and supplies you with everything you need. She gives you the air to breathe, to sustain you. Look up at that sky and know there's no limits. And your Mother Nature is with you always. Your guides and angels are with you always. And just feel that oneness with all there is. Taking your time, opening up your hands and your arms, bringing all those beautiful energies in as we once more thank Mother Nature and the trees and the leaves and the energies, all of them, the sun, the sky, the water, the fire, the sun, the air, the ground, everything, thanking it all for bringing us all these energies, helping us to replenish and be renewed. As we come back slowly, back to this time, back to this place, back to where we started. Breathing in that renewed energy and letting go of any doubt. Opening our eyes back to the present now, feeling grateful and renewed. Thank you everyone for coming. Keep taking good time for yourself and using this beautiful new energy you received.